Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you this messy hairstyle which looks very pretty and attractive, and you can create this hairstyle just under 2 minutes. So without a further ado, let's get started to the video. So first I'm side parting my hair and take all my hair together, and I'm creating a low ponytail with a rubber band. Now I'm going to pull some hair from the crown section to make it more voluminized. And now I'm going to take a small section like this way, and I'm going to roll the hair strands with my finger like this way. You can see the repeat, and I'm going to secure this with a bobby pin. You can always use a U-pin or a tic-tac pin, whichever you like. Again, I'm doing the exact same thing with another half. Now once it's done, I'm now going to fix the ends. Again, I'm rolling it over my fingers and going to tuck a bobby pin like this way. Leave your hair strands little bit here and there so it creates the messy look and it creates the more softer look. Now I'm going to tuck a hibiscus flower. Here I have chosen this pink one and I'm using this with a U-pin. Always use U-pins to tuck your flowers because that's the way you can tuck the flower for the entire day, and that's the final look. I hope this video helps you a lot and you guys liked it. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and if you are new here then don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such videos.